Hello YouTube, this is Ronnie. Today we're going to cook an iPod Touch. We're going to call it the iCake. See, the iPod Touch is not only cracked, but the Wi-Fi is like not working and I'm really mad. I put this iPod in the freezer already and like it didn't work. So we're gonna try with heat. The iMeal. So see what happens. Ooh. And something happened. Hello? This thing just got toasted? I think it did. Let's try to turn it on. Oh. Oh well. We shall toast again. Ooh. Jeez. Oh jeez. Hello? I don't think I want to do this anymore. Seems like a hazard. This thing can catch on fire easily. And you have a cooked iPod, I guess. I cook the iMeal. Genius. But ooh. It cooked the Wi-Fi antenna. How interesting. How interesting. It feels warm, but you can still hold it. Yeah. And that wasn't even, that was like 33 seconds. That was like half a minute. Well, time for nom nom time. Time to eat. Thank you guys for watching. I cook the delicious iMeal. Oh well.